A rich woman, man. A rich woman. Recently, she got a huge money. Okay, from ancestors' properties. Next to somewhere, she got huge money. A rich lady. That lady, a wealthy woman attended a dinner party in the New York. She attended a dinner party in the New York. Of course, we are attending for multiple functions. She wanted everyone to admire her. That's about a requirement she wanted, because most of the times ladies with this type of things only. My wife is always telling, if the goal is not there, I won't come to the party. I won't come to the function like that. These days, from from my friends everywhere, I'm hearing the same. So my faculties are going to make a call, sir. There is a functioning there at my native place. Okay, we require to attend, but gold is there in the bank. Can you please arrange some 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs just after attending the function, and then again by keeping the gold in the bank, I will return back. Just a matter of 3 or 4 days only. Can you please adjust? Multiple times from my faculties, I got this type of suggestion. So one of my colleague, another one of my friend is there. So compulsory, sir. I have to take all the gold from the bank. I have to release all the gold from the bank. Otherwise, I can't stay in the house, sir. Even I'm ready to pay 3 rupees interest, 4 rupees interest also, but this burden I require. I require this burden. I require to overcome. Otherwise, it's a horrible, sir. Usually in our day-to-day discussion, this type of things by default will be there. Okay, so now observe. So everyone, if they are going for the functions, everyone has to admire her. Okay, the same feeling is there by default. Okay, for that lady also, she wanted everyone to admire her. She spent a fortune buying, okay, diamonds, expensive saree, Italy, from the Italy. So she imported a saree, next pearls, luxury jewelry, all the things she wore seems to be something like a queen. Seems to be something like a queen. Okay, that feeling she has to create, that is there in her mind. Remember that. She believed these expensive things would create a great first impression. Great first impression. She went to the function. She took everything care, but she forgot one thing. What is that thing is? She didn't change the facial feelings, the face feelings. Okay. So she forgot one thing, her face, her expression showed anger, selfishness, pride, unhappiness, unhappiness. People noticed her face much more than her expensive clothes and jewelry. People remember her face, okay, than expensive jewelry and clothes. Remember that. These many things she take care. Hey, I should be with a smile face. I should be with full, okay, naturally. She forgot. That is the bigger problem for most of the people, even in today's functions also. Have you remembered? So their dressing, their jewelry, all the things are one side. Facial, okay, expressions, the facial impression is the other side. But everyone is going to take very much care about these external things. But internal, the face expressions. Have you ever saw such type of people in the functions? Of course.
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Multiple, right?
Yes, sir.
Like there is saying పెళ్లికి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఏం పెట్టారు చూడరు ఎలా పలకరించారో చూస్తారు.
Exactly.